Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you, so let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: top exercises for heart health and better circulation. Exercises that are good for heart health and blood circulation typically include activities that elevate your heart rate, improve cardiovascular endurance, and promote overall cardiovascular health. Here are some of the best types of exercises for heart and blood circulation. Aerobic exercises. 1. Walking. A low-impact exercise that can be done almost anywhere, helps improve circulation and heart health when done regularly at a brisk pace. 2. Running. Jogging increases heart rate and improves cardiovascular fitness, help in strengthening the heart muscle and enhancing circulation. 3. Cycling, a great way to improve cardiovascular health, whether outdoors or on a stationary bike, enhances blood flow and reduces the risk of heart disease. 4. Swimming provides a full body workout that is easy on the joints, improves cardiovascular health, endurance, and circulation. 5. Dancing, an enjoyable way to get your heart pumping, enhances cardiovascular fitness and circulation through sustained movement. High-intensity interval training. 1. Interval running alternates short bursts of intense running with periods of walking or slow jogging, improves heart health and increases overall cardiovascular fitness. 2. Circuit training combines different high-intensity exercises with minimal rest in between, boosts heart rate and enhances blood flow. Strength training. 1. Weightlifting strengthens muscles, which supports cardiovascular health indirectly, increases lean muscle mass, which can improve metabolism and heart function. 2. Bodyweight exercises includes push-ups, squats, and lunges, enhances muscle strength and promotes better circulation. Flexibility and balance exercises. 1. Yoga combines physical postures with breathing exercises, reduces stress, improves heart rate variability, and enhances circulation. 2. Tai Chi, a low-impact exercise focusing on slow, controlled movements, improves circulation, balance, and heart health. Additional tips: consistency. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week, as recommended by the American Heart Association. Warm up and cool down. Always include a warm-up before and a cool down after your workouts to prevent injury and improve overall heart health. Hydration and diet. Stay hydrated and maintain a healthy diet to complement your exercise routine. Incorporating a variety of these exercises into your weekly routine can significantly improve your heart health and blood circulation. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.